Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to download and install Kali Linux machine in VirtualBox. So first go to your browser and simply go to a website named kali.org. So this is the website look like. So I need to install or download 64-bit for my virtual machine. So simply VMware 64-bit. This is 2.2 GB total space. After successfully downloaded, I have to create a new session in VirtualBox, just like this. Give a proper name, machine folder, type, and version. I give here GVN 64-bit and memory size or RAM. Customize the RAM for 2 GB in for Kali Linux in my virtual machine. Just simply click create. Look guys, here create a Kali machine. I already have a Kali Linux installed before. So we have to configure some basic settings. Just check the network and optical is first option in boot order box. And processor, I take 2 processor and enable extend features. And display, just click box and VGA. This is just check enable storage, and here I have to add a disk file where I download the Kali Linux. Here is my Kali Linux and link to the VirtualBox machine with Kali Linux. Now successfully completed all the things and ready to go. All complete. Now successfully run the Linux. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you guys how to your Kali Linux terminal is fast working. So I go to my terminal, root terminal, and write a command sudo apt get install bleach bit. Simply press enter. I already updated it, install it in my Kali machine, so all the things showing here done. So after successfully downloaded installation or completed installation bleach bit, just search it and open bleach bit. This is actually a cleaning machine. In Kali Linux, your every work a temporary files created and removed by this bleach bit. Here is many options: auto scan, catch cookies, backup, broken desktop file, keyboard, custom free disk space, passwords, memory. If I want to remove any temporary file, just right click on the option and simply click clean and delete. This is blank space. No data is package lists. So look guys, here disk space removed 4.1 kilobyte and files deleted 1 it shows. So if I want to delete cache, just delete. Look, all the files are deleted successfully, and files deleted 3677 files and almost 1.3 MB. Look like this. So this is it guys.